to Young Engineers Fun Time. So today I'm going to be playing with kind of these magnetic balls where you can like squish them and make cool stuff out of them. I'll be trying to make a lot of things, like seeing if I can make a miniature house out of these or something. So let's see how it goes. Get the bigger ones. I'm gonna try and use them. They're a lot bigger, as you can see. If you look at the size difference, this one's a lot bigger than the smaller one. I'll try and take a different color so you can see it better. This one's a lot bigger than the smaller one. So I'm not going to be using the smaller ones anymore, so I can just put them there. I'm going to be using this to just pull the magnets to make a line and then grab on and then move it. And then keep moving it, maybe get some more and then put it down here. Like that, and then you just keep doing this. There might be a hole in the middle which you can just fix by taking one, pushing it down, and then just keep connecting them until then the line gets small that you can't use it again. Then you just get a bigger line. As you can see, just put the magnets and then like I'm not even close to done, and I already have a cool pattern and I'm not even close to done. So I'm gonna keep doing it until all of this runs out. So yep. So this is how it looks when it's completed. It has a really cool pattern, as you can tell. The pattern's really cool, so I'm gonna fold it in half, just there for a few seconds, and I'm gonna cut it again to see how good this thing is. Okay, I might need to put my thumb here so it doesn't fall. Okay, it's pretty good at cutting, but the main question is how good at cutting is it when it comes to half. So I'm gonna try and cut it maybe. So it's not good at cutting when it's a far place, but if you're just cutting it like so, this doesn't really work when it's cutting. Let's get something new. I'm just gonna try and make something else and see if it could cut if I make kind of like something like this. But I'm not sure if this is enough of these. I'll try and check, and then once I have all of this, if I can get it out, once I have all of these, I'm gonna fill in the inside. Okay, now I'm gonna. Okay, so it does work. Okay, now you take. So this is just how to get the base of it. I don't think I have enough to make the full thing in color. So then you just take one and put it in between your fingers like this, and then flip it over and then put it around back onto the thing to the other side. Once you've got on the other side, that's the first step. Get it like that. And then you should do something like, okay, just need a few more. It's kind of hard getting all these. Just, okay. Okay, and now that's how it looks at the beginning. Then you need to do something like, and connect this here, so it's like this, and connect it. Then once you've done that, then the thing you just did, you take a B, you take one and then put it, no, then put it onto that again. So for me, it's to the orange. You need a lot. It depends how big your hand is. That's how much you need. I'm not sure if I can fill my whole hand, but if I can, that's one. Now I'll need to do another finger by putting this in, do a loop, then connect this into here. So you have it connected like that. Then take this, connect it to that. Like I said, I don't think I can color it in so it'll be full, but if you want, you top and then on the bottom. I'm checking if I can snap my fingers. So it doesn't work when you snap your fingers, so I feel like I'll stop the gauntlet there and do something. Okay, so I've got a better card now and I've made something like this, so I'm gonna try and cut it and see if this card's any better. Okay, it's pretty good so far. I'm gonna try and cut it here. Okay, it's pretty good. So I think this might be a bit better than the other thing we used. So now I'm gonna show you a satisfying noise. So that's the satisfying noises the magnetic balls make, and they also make, if you do it slowly, they make a different noise, like. So they kind of make satisfying noises. So I'm gonna see how well this can cut the hexagon, because last time the other thing couldn't cut the hexagon. So now I'm gonna check could the card cut the hexagon. So I'm gonna start with an all purple middle and then just take random colors, put it down and just make this. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this until I have the hexagon made. Okay, I'm gonna take some more. I'm just making the hexagon. Okay, so now, well, that didn't really work. I need to take this and here, yep. Just keep doing this. The hexagon is really quick to make, but also hard because you have to get the line ready. Okay, and I'm just gonna like this. Do this. So this is the end. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye!